If you need motivation from billionaires to succeed in business, you should strongly consider doing something else. Growing a company requires an inner fire and self-motivation that no outside advice can instill long-term. Rather than looking to the mega-rich for inspiration, you're far better off learning from those just a few steps ahead. Their practical, tailored advice will prove infinitely more valuable than any motivational speech. Because here's the key: people slightly ahead of you have recently trodden the same ground. They know the hurdles, they can suggest concrete tactics. The billionaires are too detached from startup realities, so don't waste time chasing motivation from the top. Learn the nuts and bolts from those who've just gone through your startup phase. Here's why advice from those just ahead is so much more valuable. They've recently overcome the same hurdles you're facing now. Whether it's getting first customers, optimizing conversion, or managing cash flow, someone a year or two ahead has done it recently. Their insights will be tailored to your exact situation. They can provide tactical, actionable advice. Billionaires often share high-level concepts. Those ahead give nitty-gritty tactics on what works now for startups like yours. This makes their advice so much easier to implement. They understand your constraints. Larger businesses have resources, startups don't. Those ahead remember micro-budgets and teams of one. Their suggestions fit your reality. You can ask them specifics. Have a question about a certain platform or supplier? Someone using them daily has invaluable real-world insights. Billionaires are too detached to have such info. It's inspiring. Seeing someone just 12, 18 months ahead thriving gives proof you're on the right path. Their wins feel attainable, motivating you to persist. That's exactly what Olivia did when starting her lash business. Olivia and Lash. She looked at what other small, new lash studios were doing to get customers and grow. She implemented their success tactics and then tried to do even better. Olivia saw how similar businesses hired their first employees and followed suit. She watched others go from part-time to full-time, to hitting 6 figures, to becoming millionaires, and she followed that proven blueprint. Now, Olivia is doing it again with her unique, patent-pending No Glue Lash Lift system. This is the ground floor opportunity. She's just one step ahead in this new niche, and she's ready to hold your hand every step of the way. Olivia will mentor you through her proven blueprint that built a $1 million lash business from scratch. Olivia will use all her experience launching a successful lash business, and she'll constantly be learning from those just another step or two ahead, bringing you along for the ride. You'll get the inside track on her success blueprint from day one. So let's embark on this adventure together. Join Olivia's new online training program today and start building your own lucrative No Glue Lash Lift business. This adventure is just beginning. Seize the chance to build an amazing business with Olivia as your guide. Join her new online training program today.